Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Gray. I'm switching things up this morning. You're first on the hit parade today. Yes, you are. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Hi. Don and I both slept pretty good last night. Woohoo. Mr. Maple had an open house yesterday, and I've been looking at the posts on Facebook of the carloads of things people brought home. One of these days, it's a little far for a day trip, but one of these days, just for fun. I'm going to go out and pull some weeds. I see that the sun is starting to get on the spot where I wanted to pull, but there's a lot to pull down there, so I can, go to the more shady area. I had Don put this back up here yesterday. All the little tiny things in here are impatiens. So I guess I'm inclined not to fool with it and just let it do its thing. Okay, everybody. Let's go get some breakfast. Go on up, Tux. Go on, go on. Come on, bud. Come on, Tux. Yeah, this got left out here last night, this one bowl. But nobody was sleeping up here, so I didn't disturb them at midnight to go get it. I normally... Hi, Tux. Good morning. Morris was sound asleep. Were you out catting around last night, and that's why you're so sleepy this morning? Hi. I don't want to scare you. Can I pet that tummy? Nobody ever gets to see your tummy. Last month, he's been letting me pet his tummy from time to time. He's come such a long way. That's my good boy. That's my good Morris. I got food. Yeah, I got food.
I just got showered by maple leaves. I tell you, I thought I was getting soaked, but it was little maple seeds.
Yep, they're all coming down today in the breeze. It's a nice breeze.
Yeah, I guess that's the maple tree there.
Well, there's that one there. The reddish tinted ones. This one here is where all the stuff over the back boardwalk is coming down. It's that red one there. Yeah. Well, I'm going to go pull some weeds, but you know what? I'm pretty excited. They said there's a chance we could have 1.5 inches of rain tomorrow.
I'll see it when I believe it. Or I'll believe it.
Well, they're pretty serious about it, and it's widespread rain for many hours, not a quick little line come through sort of a deal. So my fingers are crossed.
Yeah, we can hope.
Boys, let's not cause chaos. You see all those yellow things? They've got to come up. Now that ground thatchy weed, that needs to come up too, but I'm trying to come in and just pull these big things first so they don't seed out down here. Well, I would like to keep working over in here, but it's too sunny, so I'm moving into this less sunny spot now, which is fine. It's all got to get done, right? But the part that I see off the front porch straight out is where I'd like to be, and it's just, I've been in it, I don't know, half an hour or 45 minutes, and I've just had it of being in the sun. My carry off the barrel person guy came out, my water delivery person, my check on kitten to make sure she's still doing okay out here.
Yeah.
So
my girl, she's going to town.
Yeah, I'm gonna fill it one more time and then stop.
Well, we've got a good start.
Yep. I had Don go get me the lawnmower after I had pulled up all of those big yellow weed things that I could find. And you know, I've been getting rid of branches and stuff as I go. So I need to come back and obviously touch up. I didn't run over any ferns as best as I could, so where there's ferns I didn't go. But I've tamed it back over here pretty good. And I guess I got room to plant something right about here. I can't see. I'm tired. I guess it's probably going on 3 hours. I don't do very good about finishing up when I say I'm going to. Bad boy.
I didn't shave?
Bad boy. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? So I've only got 4,000 steps, even though I worked so hard out there. It's just not fair. We're gonna go for a casual walk over here versus a hardcore walk somewhere else. And then I'm gonna have Don take me to Home Depot.
On the boys and see how much of the mess they made down there.
Yeah, exactly. We want to see construction progress. This guy doesn't know. He's obviously not a frequent person here, because these are sideways spots. But that's okay. We won't hit him. They need to more clearly mark this parking lot, in all fairness, but this is the first time we've been back over here, I think, since we moved the box. It looks good. I see some downy woodpeckers flitting around on the tree back there. That's nice. They're chasing each other around the tree. Cute. We did bring a bag with us for trash, because if we didn't, then we'd see something we wanted to pick up and didn't have any place to put it. So, aw. Thank you, Donnie.
Yeah.
Just because you stepped right all over top of poison ivy.
Oh, is that what I did?
Oh yeah, you did.
Oh, well. Good thing it doesn't bother me.
Not that we know.
I'll take another shower when I get home. Have I taken a shower yet? I haven't taken a shower. That was you that took it.
Right, I cleaned up after, well, my hair was sopping wet from having my hat on and being out there for 3 hours. So I'm clean, but you're not. So stay away from me now. Would it be on?
Hold my hand.
Well, your hand's probably okay, but your shoes and your legs might not be. I went the whole time out there, and in the last 10 minutes, I got bit by either a bee or an ant on my back. I obviously didn't see what bit me, but I started beating up my back where the bite was, in case whatever it was under my shirt. It's just my luck. Wow, I don't remember this, but it must have been here.
I think I do.
Okay. It doesn't look fresh enough to be that new, so. And breeze is making all the difference on our walk today. It's hot and it's humid, but there's a really nice breeze. And since my hair is not dry, it's wet from my shower.
About is dandelion seeds everywhere.
Well, I did everything I could to knock down some seeds today before they germinated. And some of the stuff down there, you would touch it and the seeds would just spring out of it, and there's just nothing you can do. But, you know, some of them I got in time. Yeah, it looks undisturbed for a while over there.
Yeah.
Well, there's our birdhouse. I'm sure the bat box is still over here on the ground. We'll eventually see the broken post. Yep, that's right where it was. Yeah, we do intend to come and put it back up. Well, it's a long ways from officially being, you know, ready for people to walk in here, but they have smoothed it out enough to be walkable now. I've been meaning to come through our woods to walk over here and check it out, because, you know, I've been able to just about see them through the woods where they've been making all the racket lately. These manhole covers are new. And right up there next to the dump truck. Oh no, Donnie, there's a birdhouse on the ground. He stopped to look behind me. He's not that close. Well, I'm thinking that we should carry it out, fix it if we need to, and then come and put it back someplace down here with the proper pole. Anyway, what I started to say was that little fence over there is where the trail ended before. And then, you know, right now you can get across the creek on this temporary bridge, which I'm sure the guy would not want to be permanent up through his property. I'm sure they're going to take that back down. Oops. We've never been able to get across here before. It used to come out over on the road. You could walk through here, but then the creek basically washed away the trail and they put up this little fence to tell you not to go, that the trail ends here. Don was pretty sure he could just see a corner of the house through the woods over there. And then we both commented that we could never see this rock formation before, this little water here, because of all the stuff that was here before. So, and there is a house up there, but not in our neighborhood, right?
No,
that's that one all the way, the street behind us and over on the end.
Circle around to hit it.
Yeah.
As the bird flies, it's just a few feet from our house, but by
by the street it's, yep, right. Don's carrying out that birdhouse I found on the ground. Cause ain't nobody, a rock, ain't nobody else gonna do anything with it. To sit there a long time and just rot. As if those boys cared, they'd already put the bat box back up. The town's not gonna keep the trash can emptied, then they ought to remove the trash can. It's just kind of gross. Hey, we found number 36 on the town's Easter egg hunt at the local parks. Woohoo! Yeah, we've walked just a little over a mile now, and we're heading to the car. That's enough. I don't want to break a sweat after I showered. Well, it's pretty busy up here, but not a complete zoo. I gotta get 2 bags of potting soil and 2 bags of cypress mulch. They need overhead sprinklers here they can just turn on at night. They got a lot of stuff drying up out here. It's really sad. I hate that. They had 8 packs of annuals that were originally $5 an 8-pack. They were marked down to $1.50. And they're not dead. I mean, they're not, they're really healthy. So between what I've already got at the house and that, I've made a serious dent in what I need to plant. Now I won't start till next weekend because I don't know if we're gonna have one night this week. We're probably gonna have to put them in the garage, but I can keep them wet over there in the shade by the hose thing. We're good. We're golden.
Hey, looky.
They installed them. Yay.
Yeah, I agree.
I guess one is meant for handicapped and one is not. I don't know why they had to install them different. It just doesn't, that part just doesn't make any sense, but yep. Fed from EVSE panel.
Yeah.
But see how one is up high and one is not?
Yeah.
I don't know why they're 2 different ones. That part I just not quite getting it, but yay. So the town can't say we don't have a charger now.
That's right.
We stopped here and put out the 2 bags of cypress mulch. I nailed it, right, Donnie? It was right at 2 bags for all the stuff down here. So that was another good reason to get, you know, the weeds tamed back a little bit. There's more to do, but I'm not looking at it disgusted that there's so much to pull.